Hi everyone. Today we're going to be carrying out the alkaline hydrolysis of ethyl benzoate to produce benzoic acid. We start off by putting a round bottom flask on a balance, supported by a cork ring, and to this we add about 5 grams of ethyl benzoate. And to the ethyl benzoate we add a few anti-bumping granules and then approximately 50 cubic centimetres of 2 molar sodium hydroxide. Now we need to set up the apparatus for heating under reflux. We have a heating mantle with the flask in, and on top of that we place a Liebig condenser. But instead of having it attached to a still head, as we do for distillation, we just put it vertically in the top of the flask and connect the lower pipe to the cold water tap, the other one taking the water back to the sink, just like we do for distillation. We turn on the cold water and then switch on the heating mantle and begin to bring the mixture to the boil. Once it's boiling, you will see that the vapours are evaporating from the liquid and rising up the condenser. There they cool down, condense into liquid again and trickle back down into the flask at the bottom. And they keep on evaporating and condensing and evaporating and condensing for the course of the reaction. This process is called reflux. The reaction proceeds like this. The sodium hydroxide breaks the carbon-oxygen bond as shown. The sodium and oxygen attach to the benzyl group to give sodium benzoate, while the hydrogen attaches to the ethyl group to give ethanol. We continue refluxing the reaction mixture until all the oily drops of the ester have disappeared. This will take round about 45 to 60 minutes. Then allow the apparatus to cool and transfer the reaction mixture to a 250 cubic centimetre beaker. Make sure you don't also transfer the anti-bumping granules. Then, slowly while stirring, we add hydrochloric acid to this reaction mixture. Adding the acid causes the precipitation of benzoic acid, which is only slightly soluble in cold water, leaving sodium chloride behind in solution. You can see that the solution goes cloudy as a white precipitate of benzoic acid is produced. We keep on adding the acid until no more precipitation takes place and the mixture turns acidic. Testing with blue litmus paper or some other indicator paper will let you know when this has happened. You'll probably need around about 30 cubic centimetres of acid. Let the mixture cool to room temperature and then filter off the precipitate using vacuum filtration, washing the crude benzoic acid with a small volume of water. This is your crude benzoic acid, which you can then purify by recrystallising from water.